Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on SimpleTiger. SimpleTiger is a SaaS marketing agency with the fastest possible SEO and PPC results for SaaS businesses. So they help SaaS companies grow with performance-driven marketing focused on quality and time to results. So you can schedule a free demo or get pricing. They have also great comments chosen by fast-growing companies like this. You can see them. So you can see what Jelito has to say about them. So how are they so fast? Let's find out. It's because they help their SIA clients grow quickly using a combination of principles, proprietary AI technology, and their own proven playbook of their top-rated strategies and tactics that take a typically slow process and expedite it. So they have this is it. These are the steps they take. They default to action. They focus on the biggest return for time spent. They use data-led strategy. They reverse engineer what works, fill in the gap, and use proprietary AI tools to process it. And get results that matter. So you can relentlessly focus on reducing time to results and increasing efficiency. So they have AI-empowered keyword data intelligence also. Synergize marketing channels and strategies, performance tracking with constant iteration, prioritize execution for content creation and optimization, SaaS specific trend tactics and strategy. So it's an agile process built to scale with your needs. So there's planning and strategy aspect, kickoff and onboarding, documentation and implementation aspects, production and promotion, reporting and analysis. Those are the steps they take, the aspects they can take also. So if you're ready to get started, just simply schedule a free demo and you can learn more about their pricing by clicking here. You can also schedule a discovery call to see how they've helped hundreds of SaaS companies grow. So they have comprehensive marketing services for them, like search engine optimization, paid advertising, web design, content marketing, paid search, paid social, keyword search, technical optimization, link building, GEO, AI search, and so much more. So you can get results that the clients can feel, you as the client will feel this result. You can see so many testimonies here, which shows that this is real. This is for real. So what are you waiting for? Let SimpleTiger help your business, no matter the shape and size. It's selling to people at the end of the day, and Google is trying to present the best content to every searcher. So they know how to. So SimpleTiger knows how to bridge the gap between what Google wants to rank and what a customer wants to read, watch, or interact with to finally make a buying decision. It's used for different business types like B2B, B2C, B2B2C. So we also have the growth stage solutions for seed stage startups, Series A plus companies, enterprise and public companies, and different industries can use it. You can see the list of industries that can use it. So why else should you choose it? Because of the key factors, like we said, we've already mentioned all the key factors for them. It's as simple as that. So if you're ready to get started, please get started today. They share what works. So what